Good morning, scholars. How are you? Hope you all are fine. Students, in today's session, we are going to discuss about Microsoft document formatting. Today, you are going to learn how you can do page formatting in the Microsoft Word documents. So, let's start. I have opened a document in Microsoft Word. As you can see, this document, it is very simple. I want to decorate this document. So today I am going to tell you that how we can decorate this document by using different options. In MS Word, first of all, you have to go to page layout tab. Click on it. As you will click on page layout tab, you will get all these options. First option, it is themes. When you will click on it, then it will give you a number of themes like this. Whichever the theme you want, then the desired one you can select by clicking on that particular theme. In this way, you will find some change in the document. Now we will talk about margins. Margin size for the entire document we can set by clicking on margins option. As you will click on margins, you will get these types of option: normal, narrow, moderate, wide, mirrored, office 2003 default. So whichever the margin setting you want, you can select it from the given options or from the list. Firstly, I want to explain you what is margin. As you can see in this document, some space has been left from the top. This is called top margin. Same way, some space it has been left from the left hand side, it is called left margin. In the right side also, some space has been left. This is known as right margin. And this is our bottom margin. So, in this way, margin settings can be done by clicking on margins option under the page layout tab. Next type of change which we are going to make in our document, it is regarding the orientation. Once you will click on orientation, you will get two options here: portrait and landscape. Once you will select landscape option, then your document it will appear like this. And when you are clicking on portrait option, then the appearance of your document it will come like this. So in this way you can change the page orientation in your document. Now we will talk about next type of option, that is page color. Once you will click on it, it will give you number of theme colors. You can select any one from these all and you can apply page color like this as I have applied in my document. In this way, you can make your document more beautiful. Next one is page borders. Now, once you will click on page borders option, then you will get this type of dialog box: borders and shading. From here, you have to first do setting that how you want your page borders. So first I am clicking on the option box like this. If I will select this box option, then I will get page borders around the full document. After that, next option is style. We can select any style of borders from this given list. I have selected this one. Next, if you want to change the border color also, whichever the color you want to select, you can select it from here. After that, width, page border width, you will select from here, as I am selecting like this. After that, I have made all the settings now in borders and shading dialog box. After this, click on OK button. So in this way, you can apply page borders in your document. So that's all today. Thank you so much.